What's going on? It's Brian Gubernick with Patriot Property Management. I'm alongside my partner, Cassie McClenahan. And today I want to talk a little bit about repairs, property repairs. So Cassie, who's actually responsible for the repairs and maintenance on a property during the course of a lease?
So the short answer is mostly the owner, right? It's your home, it's your roof, it's your electric. If there's anything that the tenant caused damage to, the tenant could be responsible for that. But ultimately, who's responsible? The owner. But who's actually going to do the work or who's going to facilitate that? We will. That's what you got a property manager for, to save that 3 a.m., the air conditioning's out and the tenant's calling and, want someone to come out at 3 a.m. That's our job. So we have a maintenance line that's answered 24 hours a day. They'll get a hold of the appropriate person. And then we at Patriot have had years and years in the real estate space. We have a vendor pool of people that we know, like, and trust. We may not use the cheapest person in town, but we're going to use the best person in town for the job. And you don't have to worry about any of that because we vetted them. We make sure that they're insured and that we're sending the right person in to take care of your tenant.
So if I'm hearing you correctly, the property owner is in fact responsible, but when it comes to performing the repairs and maintenance, Patriot takes ownership over that and leverages its established relationships or leverages its vendors that we vetted over really 20 years.
Yeah.
I think one important point to make is that we have no interest whatsoever
Correct.
in any third-party vendor, which means that when we contract with a vendor for your property, they are completely independent of us. There's no margin, there's no dollars made for our company. And I make that statement because there's a lot of property management companies out there that have different relationships than that, would you say?
Yeah, for sure.
So if you want to talk about your property and seeing if maybe partnering with Patriot Property Management makes sense for you, please do not hesitate to reach out.